Hello everyone, I'm Digital Paul, and today I'm starting a new project. Sorry if my English isn't perfect, I really appreciate any advice or feedback. Now it's time to start coding. I'll speed up the video and let the music do the talking. I skipped some repetitive parts, and here's where we are now. Off I've set up a Flask server and made sure it's running correctly. Since I'm still learning HTML, I'm using AI to help me build the user interface. This lets me focus more on the backend and the project logic. The website is now running, but there's still a problem. The automatic log generation doesn't work yet, so I'll try to find the bug and fix it. everything is work now. The application is up and running, and the main functionality is working correctly. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. I'll continue improving it and sharing my progress in future videos. See you next time.